Hi everyone, welcome to our online classes again. As you know, third term has started and we have started part 5, the earth and the atmosphere, unit 10, water. In this unit we studied that all living things need water, humans, animals and plants. We have started its exercises and we have done question number 1 and question number 2 of page number 75 and question number 3, 4 and 5 of page number 76. Today we are going to do activities on page number 76.
1, 2, 3, come on!
First one is find out how much water you use in a day. We usually measure liquids in liters. You can try to work out how many medium-sized buckets full of water you use. Who uses the most water? Who uses the least? How will you find out? Let's watch a video. Second one is try this experiment. You will need 3 cups, a little sugar, a little salt and a little uncooked rice. Fill the first cup with water, put in the salt and stir the mixture with a spoon. Fill the second cup with water and add the sugar and stir. Again observe the mixture. What do you notice? Lastly, repeat the experiment with rice. What happened to the rice? Now let's do it. The material we need are 3 cups, but I have taken here transparent glasses so that we can see what is happening inside them. Then we need a little sugar, a little salt and a little uncooked rice. First we will fill these glasses with water. Now as per instructions we have to put the salt and stir the mixture with the spoon. This is salt and we will take a little salt and stir it in our first glass with the spoon. See what is happening inside. The salt is not visible now. It is dissolved in water. We will see this mixture after some time. Now our second ingredient is sugar. We will take a bit sugar. Now we will mix sugar in our second glass and stir it with spoon. Now we will see this mixture after some time. Our third ingredient is uncooked rice. We are taking almost a teaspoon of rice and mix it in our third glass. Now we are stirring it with spoon. Let's see what will happen with rice. Now leave it for some time. See, this is a glass with salt, but here salt is not visible. It is fully dissolved in water. This one is with sugar, and now sugar is fully dissolved in water. It is also not visible. This one is with rice, and rice do not dissolve in water, and it is visible. Now do this experiment at home and see which ingredients can dissolve and which cannot. You can also take pulses and beans instead of rice and see what happens. You will get different result with different materials. So do it and enjoy this activity at home. Thank you.